ako'y mag-umpisa na maglakad pero hindi pa sa bundok. Mahaba pa yung papuntahan ng first bundok na aakyatin ko. So ito na, papunta na. Ito yung daan ng papunta doon. So itong trail na to guys ay located sa located sa Cupertino Bay Area. Boundary ng Los Altos. So nandito yung lahat ng mga tech company, Google, Yahoo, you name it, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So ganito guys, ganyan. So yung una nating mountain, I'm gonna climb first mountain dito. So yan, it's called Tuchamis Trail. So maraming trail dito guys, meron dito, meron dyan. Pero ang pipiliin ko guys, itong mountain. Kasi flat, ayaw ko yung flat kasi kunti lang yung mabuburn mo talaga na calories. I like to challenge myself, so I'm gonna climb this first mountain. Okay, it's called Chimes Trail. So as you can see, one-way routes. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started guys. You can see guys, ako lang mag-isa dito. Walang naglalakad. Dito sa trail na to kasi bundok. Itong nilakaran ko ngayon ay bundok to. So ito yung first mountain. Guys, ay tatakbo na. Kaya natakbo ko kasi ito eh. Takbo. Kasi marami kang mabuburn. Ito guys, oh. Ayan. Yan yung daanan ko. It's another trail there down, but I didn't take that one. It also kind of hilly, as you can see guys. It's foggy because early in the morning it's very foggy and still no one is here. Oh my goodness, just really by myself alone in the forest. So it's beautiful nature. I love nature guys. Especially the mountain, it makes me feel small. Alright, I'm there. This is where I coming from, and well, that I can hardly see people. Oh, there's one there running, as very tiny. Yan na guys, nakarating na tayo sa top ng first mountain. So ito yung top niya. Ang first mountain, as you can see, it's all golden. Yung grass niya is already gold because it's a golden state. So let's go here. Tingnan natin. God, I cannot see the mountain that I'm going to climb to, second one, because it's very foggy. Look at that. Foggy, foggy, foggy. So here's guys. Ayan. See? Yung grass. Very brown. Atay na. God, I'm still alone. Oh my God. I'm really alone here. Ang sarap pakinggan. It's like I own this. I own the land. No one is here because this part I'm gonna climb. Okay, let's go down. That mountain is not that high. Not that long, I mean. But it's pretty steep. I don't know what you call it. Hills or mountain. Not sure. Maybe hills. Yung people dito guys, walang masyadong kasi ano nga siya, hilly or mountainous, inaakyat, kaya pinipili yung mga taong pumunta dito doon sa flat. So ayan na guys. Anong tawag na to? Jaime. Okay guys, andito na ako sa top ng PG&A Trail. So after 2 hours from parking lot, karating na rin ako dito.
Foggy look.
So
That's
the view guys. Fog. Remember, pinakita ko sa inyo before I really climb here. Parang nasa ulap. Nasa ulap ako guys. That's the where I coming from. Yan. It's ulap. Fog. It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. I can appreciate it when I am on top. Kanina hindi ko nakita na ganun pala yung itsura niya. So yeah. So I'm gonna sit down for a little bit and talk something about anything. Pahinga kaya lang.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I just got home and it was total of Normally, after my workout, I take this powder for my tired muscle. This is not, guys, to grow the muscle, okay?